Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Bubba Blade is probably one of the most versatile and efficient electric fillet knives on the market, perfect for effortlessly filleting a wide variety of fish and other meats, saving you time and effort in the kitchen or on the boat, and delivering restaurant-quality results every time. In this video, we will deep dive into its features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Bubba Pro Series Fillet Knife. This is the Bubba Pro Series, the ultimate electric fillet knife for any serious angler. It's designed for power, precision, and lasting performance. The non-slip grip handle gives you superior control, while the trigger guard adds an extra layer of safety. You'll feel confident and in command with every cut. It's built to last with a durable aluminum alloy housing and a heavy-duty drive system. The dual rivet blade design ensures long-lasting performance. Changing blades is quick and easy. Plus, the LED battery indicator keeps you informed of its power status. The brushless motor delivers increased power and torque, making it the longest-lasting and most powerful electric fillet knife on the market. Prepare for effortless filleting. It comes with a convenient charging system and a protective case for easy transport and storage. Always ready for your next fishing adventure. What we like. It boasts a brushless motor for increased power and torque, ensuring it's the longest-lasting and most powerful electric fillet knife. If you need a robust and powerful knife for heavy-duty filleting, this is the one for you. Its durable construction and powerful motor make it ideal for professional use or tackling large catches. What people say. The battery is somewhat difficult to assemble but love the operation of the knife. It also feels good in the hand. Powerful, comfortable, the blades are unbelievably sharp and hold their edge for a long time. Our boat cleaned around 150 walleye over 4 days on one battery. This one comes with 2 batteries, charger, 4 sets of blades, a super strong cushion carrying storage case and the fillet tool. Well-made knife. Great gift for a person that likes to cook and cut meat. Not just for fish, we used it for turkey and brisket on Christmas Day and it was a hit. Cleans up easy and the storage case is reusable. Comes with 2 batteries and 4 knife. Heavy-duty nice gripping material and packaged well. Number 4. Bubba Multi-Flex Blade Kit. This kit gives you everything you need for precision and versatility in your fishing adventures. It's designed for durability and ease of use, no matter the conditions. It features 4 titanium nitride-coated, high-carbon stainless steel blades. These full-tang blades are built to last, providing reliable performance. The patented non-slip grip handle ensures a secure hold, even when wet. This means you'll always have reliable control. With 4 different blade types, Ultra Flex, Tapered Flex, Stiff, and Serrated, it's perfect for any fish. You can easily switch between blades to tackle any situation. Safety guards protect you from the blade and fish spines. Your safety is our priority. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Contact customer service for any assistance. What we like. This kit comes with 4 different interchangeable blades, allowing you to tackle any fish with ease. If you're looking for versatility and the ability to switch between different blade types quickly, this is the perfect choice. Its reliable design and multiple blade options make it suitable for various fishing situations and fish types. What people say. The large stiff blade and small flex blade are fantastic, and better quality than most knives I've used before. The large stiff blade goes right through big saltwater ribs. Built from strong, solid material, it feels like you're holding a professional knife. Cleaning fish is fun again now that I don't have to hack away at my redfish for hours. Great grip and seems to keep a good edge. We'll see in time how they hold up. Number 3. Bubba 110V Electric Fillet Knife. This electric fillet knife makes filleting fish easier than ever. Its lightweight design and non-slip grip ensure comfortable and controlled cutting. The non-slip grip handle provides superior control, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring safety while you work. It features 4 durable, non-stick titanium nitride-coated stainless steel blades. These blades are designed for effortless cutting and easy cleaning. The blades are easily removable for quick and thorough cleaning. A convenient storage case keeps everything organized. With its 8-foot cord and lightweight design, it's perfect for any fishing trip. It's easy to pack and use. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. Its removable blades make cleaning a breeze, and they're stored conveniently in the case. If you value ease of use and cleaning, this is the electric fillet knife for you. The durable blades and convenient storage make it a practical choice for any angler. What people say. Great knife with an assortment of blades for every task. Sliced brisket like it was butter. Have cleaned so many fish that they are scared to bite. Great knife, extra blades. Very sharp and sturdy. The handle is very comfortable so you can clean lots of fish. This is my first Bubba knife, and it's great. I borrowed one from a friend and loved how well it works. Blade insert and removal is easy, and love that it comes with 4 blades and a functional case. This knife is more like a power tool than just a fillet knife. It has way more power and cleans crappy like they have zippers. Number 2. Bubba 7 Tapered Flex Folding Knife. This knife is perfect for fishing and other outdoor activities. Its features ensure ease of use and safety. The non-slip grip handle provides superior control, while the trigger grip and lockback add extra security. You'll have confidence in every cut. Safety guards protect you from the blade and fish spines, keeping you safe while you work. The T-nitride-coated blade is rust-resistant and cuts through fish scales with ease. The extra sharp tip makes starting your cut a breeze. It comes with a sheath and belt loop for convenient, hands-free carrying. Always have it ready when you need it. It's backed by a 1-year limited warranty. Contact us for assistance if you have any issues. What we like. It's lightweight and features a non-slip grip handle and a secure lockback. If you prioritize portability and ease of use, this folding knife is a great option. Its sharp blade and convenient sheath make it perfect for quick cuts and easy carrying. What people say. Very sturdy pivot mechanism. Once locked open, the knife feels no different than a non-folding version. Very sharp blade, handle is grippy, and the extra grip buttons at the top of the handle are just what every fillet knife needs. Just works great. A bit bulky and heavy. The no-slip handle is worth the added weight. Very sharp and just enough flex. Bubba knives are very sharp and gets the job done. Cutting fish is smooth and easy. The grip is comfortable. Number 1. Bubba Ion Fillet Knife. This cordless fillet knife is designed for ease of use and superior performance. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make filleting a breeze. The non-slip grip handle provides exceptional control, ensuring precision and safety while you work. A trigger guard adds an extra layer of security. It features durable, TN-coated stainless steel blades for a long lifespan. The dual rivet design ensures they stay securely in place. The blades are easily removable for quick and simple cleaning. A convenient case keeps everything organized and protected. Never be caught off guard with a dead battery. The LED indicator light lets you know how much power it has left. We stand behind the quality of our product. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. Contact us for assistance if needed. What we like. This cordless model offers the convenience of a battery-powered design without sacrificing power. If you need a powerful, cordless option for filleting on the go, this is an excellent choice. The LED battery indicator ensures you're always prepared. What people say. Has the longer 9-inch blades. There are 4 blades included, and in different styles to choose from. The 9-inch flex is what I use to fillet, and it works like a dream. Plenty of power and super convenient being cordless. Comfortable in your hand, and 2 long-lasting rechargeable batteries. W charger make this kit a must-have. Built to last, and comes in a convenient carrying case. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.